Yes, now we are discussing about agricultural options. In that, today we are discussing about neem oil. Neem oil is naturally occurring pesticide found in seeds from the neem tree. It is yellow to brown. It is yellow to brown, has a bitter taste and a garlic sulfur smell. And next point is, what is a neem oil used for? It reduces insect feeding and acts as a repellent. It also interferes with insect hormone systems, making it harder for insects to grow and lay eggs. Ajadiristan, it is scientific name of the neem is Ajadiristan, can also repel and reduce the feeding of nematodes. Other components of neem oil kill insects by hindering their ability to feed. Next point is, can I apply neem oil directly on skin? Neem oil is generally safe to apply to the skin. However, it is very potent, so it may be a good idea to test it on a small patch of skin before applying it more extensively. To perform a patch test, mix a couple drops of neem oil with water or liquid soap. And next point is, can neem oil regrow hair? Neem oil promotes hair growth. The regenerative properties in neem oil stimulate hair follicles, thereby encouraging hair growth. It also increases blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn prevents excessive hair fall, and thinning caused by factors like pollution, stress, and medication. And next point is, what is neem oil made from? Neem oil is a vegetable oil obtained from the seed kernels of neem tree, that is Ajadiristan indica. Ajadirichta indica, scientific name. An evergreen of the tropics and subtropics. It is deep yellow in color and has garlic-like odor. It contains active ingredients like Ajadiristan, nimbin, picrine, and sialin. And next point is, what are the side effects of neem oil? Special precautions and warnings. These serious side effects include vomiting, diarrhea, drowsiness, blood disorders, seizures, loss of consciousness, coma, brain disorders, and death. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Neem oil and neem bark are likely unsafe when taken by mouth during pregnancy. They can cause a miscarriage. And next point is, can I burn? Can I rub neem oil on my face? Pure neem oil is incredibly potent to treat acne, fungal infections, warts, or molds. Use undiluted neem oil to spot to treat affected areas. Lightly dab the neem oil onto the area using a cotton swab or cotton ball, and allow it to soak in for up to 20 minutes. Wash off the oil with warm water. And next point is, can you leave neem oil on skin overnight? Can you leave neem oil on overnight? A neem oil is a potent, therefore leaving it overnight on your skin can cause irritation. You can apply it for 1 to 2 hours and wash it off with lukewarm water or use diluted oil. Next point is, can neem oil cure fungal infection? Neem oil helps in the treatment of fungal infection. Diluted neem oil may be directly applied on infected regions of body, including athlete's foot. Its antifungal effect is highly efficient and rapid to keep intact healthy skin and a healthy immunity system. And next point is, does neem reduce hair fall? The regenerative properties of neem help in reducing hair fall. Gently massaging your scalp with neem oil can increase the blood circulation in the scalp and help in enhancing the speed of hair growth. Neem is rich in antioxidants that curb the action of free radicals that cause premature graying of hair. Next point is, does neem thicken hair? Neem oil is high in fatty acids such as linoleic acid, linoleic, oleic and palmitic acids to help lock in moisture to hair. Markovich explains it. She adds that as an ingredient in many skin and hair products, regular application of neem oil can promote healthier, thicker and rich hair growth as well as help prevent hair loss. And next point is, can we apply neem daily to hair? You can apply diluted neem oil once per day for 1 to 2 hours at a time. Leaving it on your hair overnight or using it more frequently may result in irritation. This is the information regarding neem oil. It will give a basic idea to the neem oil producers, so it will be useful to them. Wishing you all the best.